Hey guys, Chris from TD Motion. I have on the floor aluminum radiator kit. This is for a 65 Mustang. Actually will fit anything 64 through 73. This is through our partners, Northern Radiator. They make a good quality radiator, all aluminum, custom welded, check for leaks. It has the fittings here for the transcooler, for anything automatic transmission. Has your Petcock fitting here, your inlet and outlet. Just need to have the proper pressure cap to go up on the top in order to make sure you have the proper cooling there. Now, this comes with the electric fan. This will have the Shroud along with it. Pulls 1800 CFM. So really important to have the Shroud, the fan that pulls plenty of air, so keeps the car nice and cool, especially at idle and cruising. Also comes with the harness. So with all these three pieces, you'll have everything you need to do the installation properly. All available through tdmotion.com.